In this video, you will learn how to fix your Discord stream paused problem, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection or network can cause Discord streams to pause. To ensure you have a stable internet connection, disable hardware acceleration. Go to user settings, advanced, and toggle off hardware acceleration. This can sometimes cause conflict with your streaming by your Discord cache. Close Discord, then clear the cache files from your system to remove any corrupted data. Update Discord and graphic drivers. Make sure both your Discord app and GPU drivers are all up to date for smooth streaming. Turn off background apps. Close unnecessary apps running in your background, as they may consume bandwidth or CPU usage. Adjust Discord permissions and stream quality. Run Discord as an administrator, then lower your stream's resolution or frame rate if you need to. Now you know. Now you know how to fix your Discord stream paused problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.